everyone, welcome back to my channel Style and Study Corner. ఆక్వాకల్చర్ ఏపీ విలేజ్ ఫిషరీస్ అసిస్టెంట్కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారు. ఈ వీడియోస్లో కంటెంట్ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఆక్వాకల్చర్ ఛానల్ని తెలుగులో ఉన్న ఛానల్ని సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పబోయే బిట్స్ అనేవి ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఫిషరీ సైన్స్కి సంబంధించిన ఆక్వాకల్చర్. ఇక్కడ చూసారు కదా, లిస్ట్లో థర్డ్ ఆక్వాకల్చర్ బిట్స్. 101. In the algal production centers, copper sulfate is applied to control rotifers at a rate of. Answer is 0.1 ppm once in 2 weeks. ఆల్గల్ కల్చర్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు కాపర్ సల్ఫేట్ని 0.1 ppm 2 weeks చొప్పున ఇచ్చి రోటిఫర్స్ని కంట్రోల్ చేస్తారు. 102. Cyst of brine shrimp hatch out as. Answer is Naplii. 103. Decapsulation of Artemia cyst means. Answer is removal head of Artemia. Artemia యొక్క హెడ్ని రిమూవ్ చేయడమే డీకాప్సులేషన్ అంటారు. 104. In order to deactivate toxic residues, the decapsulated Artemia should be dipped in. Answer is chloric acid. ఆర్టీమియాకి డీకాప్సులేట్ చేసే ముందు క్లోరిక్ యాసిడ్లో డిప్ చేస్తారు, టాక్సిక్ యాక్టివిటీ ఏమన్నా రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి. 105. Chlorella culture thrive well in the salinity range of. Answer is 10 to 20 ppt. Chlorella culture అనేది 10 to 20 ppt salinity దగ్గర చక్కగా అవుతుంది. 106. Branchionus is a very valuable live food, but early larval stage of fish is unable of ingest because. Answer is they move very fast. 107. Nitrogen fertilizers are preferred as it. Answer is non-toxic to organisms. 108. Major problem in using organic manure is. Answer is variability of composition. 109. Chicken manure is high in. Answer is nitrogen content. 110. The first step requisite for the production of stocking pond is to. Answer is cleaning of plants and removal of predatory fishes. సో ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏ పాండ్ని మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్న ఫస్ట్ అనేది బాటమ్ అనేది మనం ఫస్ట్ క్లీన్ చేసుకుంటాం కదా. సో ప్లాంట్స్ ఏమీ లేకుండా, ప్రిడేటర్స్ ఏమీ లేకుండా చూసుకుంటాం. 11. క్యారింగ్ కెపాసిటీ ఆఫ్ 1 hectare ponds feed with protein rich pellet is. Answer is about 2680 kg. 112. Carrying capacity of the pond means the weight limit of the fishes the pond can support. 113. Stocking pond of 1.25 to 2.0 hectare can be stocked by 50 to 100 mm major carp fingerlings at a rate of. Answer is 7,500 to 15,000 per hectare. 114. Liming of pond is done to. Answer is reduce the pH of the water. 115. Organic fertilizers include. Answer is cow dung. 116. The common predatory fish found in the pond is. Answer is Glassogobium guaris. 117. The weed fishes found in our ponds are. Answer is Ambasis ranga. 118. Fish poison of plant origin or. Answer is mahua oil cake. This bit is very important. 119. The important culturable species are. Answer is Labia rohita. 120. The headquarters of Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute in. Answer is Barakpur. 121. Peacock tail is variety of. Answer is goldfish. 122. Vallisneria is a. Answer is rooted plant. 123. The fish poison Derris powder has. Answer is root none of the above. 124. Aldrin is a. Answer is chlorinated hydrocarbon. 125. The best food for fry of cutla is. Answer is zooplankton. 126. The rate of ammonium excretion increases 10 times when the temperature in fish fry transported contents rises. Answer is 1 degree Celsius. 127. Sodium amytal is a. Answer is anesthetic drug. 128. The common name of Vallisneria is. Answer is eelgrass. 129. In intensive aquaculture, the design of the tank should be. Answer is circular. 130. CETPS stands for. Answer is common effluent treatment plants. 131. Ideal slope of pond is. Answer is 2:1. 132. An excavation more than dash in the ground level in uneconomical. Answer is 60 centimeters. 133. Windmill is dash type of pump. Answer is reciprocating type of pump. 134. Paddle wheel aerators are dash type of aerators. These aerators are surface type of aerators. 35. The top of the embankment is called. Answer is crust. 136. Stocking density of naples of shrimp in larval rearing tank is. Answer is 100 per liter. 137. The rate of filtration in rapid sand filter is dash liter per square meter per hour. Answer is 4000 to 6000 liter per square meter per hour. 138. Raceways are dash based aquaculture farming system. Answer is land based aquaculture farming system. 139. An imaginary line joining the points of equal elevation is called as. Answer is contour. 140. The present threat for India in connection with world aquaculture is. Answer is Bangladesh. 141. International Fish Farmers Day is. Answer is 10th July. 142. Operational period of nursery pond is. Answer is 15 to 20 days. 143. Quick lime contains. Answer is 98% of calcium oxide. 144. Stocking densities ratio in different pond, that is nursery rearing growout, is. Answer is 1:40 to 1280. 45. Which of the following is the stocking density for cage culture? Answer is 500 to 800 per meter square. 146. The concept of composite fish culture was brought up by. Answer is AIFRI. 147. The standard combination of NPK is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Answer is 18:8:4. 148. Liquid excreta urine contain more water and N2 and K but less. Answer is P, phosphorus. 150. Mahua oil cake contain. Answer is 5 to 6% saponin. 151. Tea seed cake toxicity lasts for. Answer is 10 to 12 days. 152. In raceway culture, water flow is dash liter per minute. Answer is 0.5 to 1. 153. Brown trout was introduced in India in. Answer is 1906. 154. NACA is situated in. Answer is Bangkok. 155. DDVP in the name of Novan 100 EC was manufactured by. Answer is Sefa. 156. Algal weed can be controlled by K-4 at the rate of. Answer is 2.5 ppm. 157. Cattle dung consists of percentage of P2O2 and potash respectively. Answer is 0.5, 0.1 and 0.5. 158. Pulu rearing temperature is. Answer is 26 degrees Celsius. 159. Trichodesmia is. Answer is compost accelerator. 160. Which animal has considerable amount of phosphorus in urine? Answer is swine. 161. Stocking density of fish fingerlings in fish cum duck farming is. Answer is 6,000 to 8,000 hectares. 162. White Pekin and Muscovy are. Answer is meat type duck. 163. Truly freshwater prawn is. Answer is scampi. 164. Gracilaria is a. Answer is red algae. 165. 1 gram of Artemis is produced about. Answer is 0.2 million napoli. 66. Match one correctly with list 2 and select your answer using the codes given below. Answer is A means floating weed. Answer is lemna. Emergent weed. Answer is typha. Submerged weed. Answer is Vallisneria. Surface weed. Answer is 3 Eichhornia. 167. Common name for Eichhornia is. Answer is water hyacinth. 168. Commonly used anesthetic drug is. Answer is MS222. 170. The criteria for selecting site for the pond culture may depends on. Answer is species to be cultured, targeted production levels, physiological requirement of the species. 171. For intensive farming, commonly used farm types. Answer is circular shape and rectangular shape. 172. The main purpose of peripheral dike is. Answer is to provide overall protection to the pond from flood storm, to retain water for culture operation. 173. In drainage channel, recommended side slope for clay oil is. Answer is 1:1. 174. Which type outlet gates are more efficient in draining bottom water from the pond? Answer is Monk sluice. 175. Example for positive displacement pump is. Answer is reciprocating pumps. 176. The most commonly used aeration device for aeration in aquaculture pond. Answer is both paddle wheel aerators and surface aerators. 177. Compute the power requirement for pumping 1200 cum per hour against the 100 meter, assuming a pump efficiency of 65%. Answer 68 HP. Horsepower. 78. Which institute is engaged in culture of fish in brackish water region? Answer is SEBA. 179. Headquarters of ICLARM is located at. Answer is Malaysia. 180. Probiotic mainly contains the following organisms. Answer is Lactobacillus. 181. In addition to sex inversion, methyl testosterone results in. Answer is faster growth. 182. Floating weeds are controlled by. Answer is 2,4-D. 183. Pond sealing may be accomplished by the following method. Answer is soil compaction, waterproof lining, and bentonite application. 184. For fish production, one of the following is harmful. Answer is parasites. 185. Which aqua farming technique is most appropriate to utilize the autochthonous pentaciliates of beels? Answer is pen culture. 186. Fish that can be used in biological control of mosquito is. Answer is Gambusia. 187. Diatoms used in shrimp larval rearing. Answer is Chaetoceros. 188. Aquatic insect of freshwater nursery are controlled by application of soap oil emulsion. 189. Laminaria is. Answer is seaweed. 190. Euphemia is a raw material for. Answer is coraginum. 191. Which farming technology is eco-friendly and scientific? Answer is semi-intensive system. 192. Which culture practice is adaptive for culture of seaweed? Answer is floating rafts. 193. Which culture technology is suitable for culture of sea bass? Answer is cage culture. 194. Which one is used a fish poison in nursery pond? Answer is mahua oil cake. 195. Which one is pesticide? Answer is malathion. 196. Which one is used for production of marine pearls? Answer is Pinctata fucata. 197. Probiotics are commonly used in shrimp farming for. Answer is water quality management and increasing oxygen level. 198. Which one is agar yielding seaweed? Answer is Gracilaria. 199. Which one is green seaweed? Answer is Ulva. 200. Best feed for milk fish is. Answer is Lablab. 201. Optimum stocking density of carp span per hectare. Answer is 3 to 8 million. 202. Exotic fish in India. Answer is Pantia species. 203. Biofertilizer used in aquaculture in India. Answer is Azolla. 204. Integrated fish farming is widely practiced in. Answer is China. 205. Stocking density of M. rosenbergi in grow out. Answer is 1000 to 40,000 PL per hectare. 206. Fingerling stocking density in composite fish culture. Answer is 5,000 to 10,000. 207. Pen culture is practiced in. Answer is Chilaka Lake. 208. Freshwater mussel for pearl production. Answer is Lamellins marginalis. 209. Toxic algae present in pond. Answer is Microcystis. 210. Mahua oil cake Quantity used in pond preparation. Answer is 2500 kg. 211. Besides maho oil cake, saponin is also extracted from. Answer is Holothuria. 212. Most suitable shrimp species in India to culture. Answer is Penaeus monodon and Penaeus indicus. 213. For development of fishery in small reservoir, which is the most suitable technique? Answer is culture based fishery. 214. Profitability of shrimp farm depends on. Answer is capital, seed and feed. 215. To hold the water at definite level in pond and also to serve as a causeway, it is essential to construct a. Answer is sluice. 216. Freeboard is the term used in reference to the construction of. Answer is dike. 217. Species cultured mostly in pen are. Answer is Chanus, Lattice calcarifo, Mugelcephalus. 218. Pole culture is mainly for. Answer is mussel. 219. Species mainly cultured in supersaline area. Answer is Artemia salina, brain shrimp. 220. Faster growing species among IMSC is. Answer is Cutla. 221. Maximum size of Cutla is. Answer is 1.8 m, means 45 kg. 22. Tastiest species among IMS is. Answer is Rohu. 223. Maximum size of Rohu is. Answer is 1 meter. 224. Maximum size of Mrigala is. Answer is 0.9 meters. 225. Maximum size of silver carp is. Answer is 60 centimeters. 226. Maximum size of grass carp is. Answer is 1.5 meters. 227. Common carp, silver carp, grass carp are collectively called as. Answer is sanitary fish. 228. Maximum size of black rohu is. Answer is 1 meter. Maximum size of Kaveri carp, fringed lipped carp is. Answer is 90 centimeters. 230. Maximum size of white carp. Answer is 45 centimeters. 231. Example for predatory prey culture is. Answer is morel and tilapia. 232. Silver carp was introduced in India during. Answer is 1952. 233. Chinese carp was introduced in India in. Answer is 1939. 234. A platform-like space between bund and watery area is known as. Answer is BAM. 235. A mixture of slit and sand and clay in the ratio of. Answer is 1:3:2. 236. Temporary algal bloom forming in the pond water include. Answer is Euglena, Chlamydomonas and Volvax. 237. Example for filamentous algae is. Answer is Pyrogyra. 238. Leaves float above the surface and the roots underneath. Answer is floating weeds. 239. Example for emerged weeds. Answer is Nymphia, Nymphonites, Myriophyllum. 240. Example for floating weeds. Answer is Eichhornia, Lemna, Pistia. 241. Roots are attached to the bottom and leaves freely float on the surface. Answer is floating weeds. 242. Example for rooted submerged weeds. Answer is Vallisneria, Hydrilla and Najas. 243. Example for rootless submerged weeds. Answer is Utricularia and Ceratophyllum. 244. Example for marginal weeds. Answer is Marsilia and Jessia. 245. The common weed fish species are. Answer is Pantius ticto, P. sarana, Robusto dioecious. 246. Dairy's root powder contains. Answer root none of the above. 247. Dairy's root powder causes damage to. Answer is respiratory system. 248. Effective dosage of dairy's root powder is. Answer is 5 to 10 ppm parts per million. 249. Saponin causes. Answer is hemolysis of red blood capsules. 250. The standard combination of NPK as is generally recommended is. Answer is 18:8:4. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. The further bits will continue in next video.